Everybody remembers this kit, right? This is the IWISS 0840S heavy gauge crimping tool. Comes with the wire strippers, the carrying case, and can crimp wires all the way from 8 gauge to about 4/0. And I would like to say it don't get any better than this, but iCrimptools.com sent me something better. And I'd like to present to you guys the IWISS 70DT. This is a tabletop bolt-in heavy gauge crimping tool. Now, when you first get this tool delivered to you guys, it will come disassembled, but assembly is extremely easy. It comes separate in 2 parts. You have the base part right here at the bottom, and then you have the other part of the tool. All this comes assembled. You just have to take the 4 Allen head screws right here and bolt them through these holes with the nuts on the bottom. Now, with this battery lug crimper, you have the option to choose between 3 different die sets. You have a B type, you have a point type, and you have the hexagon type, which I have right here. Now, this one is using the millimeters for the measurements. Now, even though it will work, I did reach out to IWISS to see if they have something in AWG, and they absolutely do. 8, 6, and 4 gauge, 1 gauge and 1/0, 2 gauge and 2/0, 3/0, and a 4/0 wire. These dies are extremely simple. You just want to first open it up, move those tabs. As you insert the new die, lock it in and lock it in.